Molweni nonke. Yabona ukuthetha inkonde ke ngoku icheko le country yonke. Uba uMalema uJuju uzofuna uattacker uMcG ngenxa yaba independent, operating business zakhe independent, empowering his own people independently. Whatever he's doing it independently. No, sizaba nayo ingxaki. Umalema uyaphazama apho. You can't drag a podcast and chill to politics. Because now South Africans, they have a right to participate in the politics of South Africa and the world. Comment, participate, do as much as we want them to vote, and they do vote. Because they have been declaring on their podcast. So this depoliticization is so happy because these people, they vote. Politics is not about only Utuli's slogans and talking about isms of this world, capitalism, socialism, liberalism, Africanism. No, it's not about that. The simplest thing, the simplest form of why we have politics is to create opportunities for people. For people to work, to live a decent life, enjoy with their families, be able to feed their families. So now, we are not going to participate in the same format into politics by going to parliament. That's not the only route of politics. Those who are controlling the economics, they are controlling politics. Economy is still part of politics. Entertainment is culture. Arts is still part of politics. So you can't just ufune ukovisa uMcG ubuhlungu ingathi yena is not a South African. Instead, we appreciate uMcG. He's the better president that we have. Because out of all the troubles of this country, as is Fumanayo, Madlanga Commission, State Capture Commissions, Nkandla Gate, Travel Gates, all these political problems that are brought to the society, we have a time to podcast and chill with McG, to numb our minds, to numb our senses, so that by next day we can wake up and go see Panda again in a country that can't provide enough jobs for its people. Politics are the cause of those things. Because gonna ramblings and infightings with politics that cost a lot of time than the proper planning and execution of policies of government that can liberate people and develop the economy of the country, redistribute the wealth to the people. Focus on that, my brother. If you are this bigger politician, better than everyone, but let's not hear igama lakho kwinto zodistractor i-IDEC, distractor into ezine-distraction. Let's not, masingalive igama lakho, man. Your friends must not be people who are negative to the society, who are bringing a negative vibes to the society. Because you are presenting yourself as a prudent, clean politician. Don't target McG, bruh. Just focus on your lane. Do your own thing. Because now says defend McG. Which we are not want to do that because we don't believe in the life of defense. Everyone must be free, express yourselves, but don't target anyone. It's worse goes out with that thing. Imagine someone saying your EFF is that thing, because your EFF is your thing also. You founded, you are people have no say. No, Juju, man. Stop this thing, bruh. Come on.